I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. So we are going out for some festive shopping and some for our upcoming housewarming. We have to go to like Begum Bazaar and other things. I did post some Shilparamam shopping video. If you haven't watched that, do check it out. And I do have some others on Instagram as well. So do find me on Instagram. And then we went to Begum Bazaar to pick up a couple of things. Just the feel of shopping at Old City is just so fun. So we went to Begum Bazaar to check out some decoration items and even the return gifts. Begum Bazaar is a really good place to get them. I have previously done some videos, so you can check those out. Just look at the place. It's like you'll find everything there, and it's super crowded, but just the feel of street shopping and Begum Bazaar and Old City excites me. So we saw some of these decor pieces. These are all like decoration in artificial, and these can be used for return gifts, but also like decorative pieces or jewelry cases as well. A lot of stores opposite Aziz Plaza have all of these. This one has like birthday decor and others also. And then we finished up there and went to the flower market to pick up flowers for the decoration and some fruits and the puja related things. So it was like a huge shopping trip. అది కొబ్బరి బొండం షాప్లో తీసుకున్నాం. I was at the flower market and we had to pick up some flowers for a puja that's happening tomorrow in my house. So that's why I look dead. So we were there picking up flowers. Like I got so many flowers, and we had to do like a proper puja shopping and all. So I'm basically exhausted and I look dead. So let's do a quick house tour. This is going to be an empty house tour. I will show you guys again once I set up the house. So this is the entrance, and you enter into this space, which is actually the living room or the TV room. And then to the other side of it, you can see this big window, the huge window. There's another sitting area, and it's an open kitchen. This is the kitchen. This is the island dining area, and those are some really nicely done shelves for glassware and things like that. Looks lovely. This is the kitchen wash area, which is right next to the stove. So this one is kind of fancy, so we are excited and we were just checking it out because we haven't seen this before. A rotating shoe rack. So this is the hallway. It leads to the washroom and the other bedroom. This is actually the guest room, but I plan to use this like the beauty room or the shoot room. So we thought we'll do something different for the cupboards, and it did this cane detailing. And this is the bathroom where the shower is still like getting done. I ordered like nice rose gold shower panel. Let's see how that turns out. This is the other room. For this we did white and blue cupboards. I wanted to do like a vintage style, so if you get a closer look you'll be able to see it. It has that detailing, and this is the openable jewelry drawer, and this has sensor light. I wanted to do that distressed detailing for one of the cupboards, so I went with this blue, which has that distressed kind of pattern. So this is the look of the house in the daylight with all the false ceiling lights. It looks very beautiful. The interiors are done by EcoBuild, that is my brother basically. So the entire planning and interiors is by my brother. So basically we both like discussed and did everything. So he kind of knows what kind of a vibe I'm looking for, so that's why it actually turned out really well and according to my taste as well. This is the office room, Yash's office room. So this one is a little bit in that brown shades, so we thought it'll have a different look from the rest of the house. These are the cupboards and everything. Again, it has those sensor lights, and it's quite nicely done, has that pleasant vibe. Also kind of good for office room. So that's the house tour, you guys. I will set it up soon and I'll show you guys how it actually turns out. But I think with this you get kind of an idea. So we did the decor for the housewarming, which was coming up, and I did like a whole housewarming video. I put it up, you can check that out. But this was the decor, and you can see a little bit of clips here. So that was my outfit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a moving day vlog. So everything is here. It's crazy. Although everybody else is packing, I'm still like dead. This is the situation of the house. It's like crazy that we're leaving here. It's been 2 years. We've been staying here for 2 years. This is such a beautiful house, you guys. This house, it's like so lit, and you know, this is the background that I usually use in my videos, so you would have seen this. And the house itself is like so well lit and beautiful. So I'm like, I'm gonna miss this place, but I'm also like so excited about the new place. For a new house, huh? I was shooting and you came. I'm shooting in like a long mode, so you're looking like a giant. So all my makeup is in this and this. All my eyeshadow palettes and everything is in this. And we didn't bubble wrap them. I'm hoping to take this in my car. So I'm like very scared. But everything here is bubble wrapped. And still I'm scared. Oh my god. I've just, all this dresser was full of my makeup and some accessories, which I was so scared about. There's this old man who is kind of packing very patiently. It's just so grateful, and I hope nothing breaks and nothing gets spoiled. There's Yash. He's getting everything packed because basically I am not able to tell people. I'm getting very overwhelmed and like getting worried about the crockery and my makeup and things that are going to break, like all the breakables and stuff. And some things are getting left out even though we are like rechecking. So I'm like all panicky a little bit. And usually Yash is the sort who's anxious and I'm chill. Now today it's the other way around. Yash is like very chill and he's re-insisting on everything, and I am like panicking. This was my shoot room basically. This is where I used to shoot, if you remember. This is the other hall. Everything is packed except some of the wall frames and stuff right now. But I never got to do like a proper house tour of this house after arranging everything. But I'm just gonna insert some clips. The house is already like halfway done. Like the house is like halfway done already. We started a little early, and these people are so damn good. I forgot to keep all this ahead. This has some crockery, gifts and all that, which I got for housewarming. We were saying bye to the street dogs. We're actually moving close by, but then I don't think I'll be able to meet them as often. So I was just saying bye. We're going to miss them. I do hope to come back and meet them every now and then. So that was the moving day vlog and empty house tour. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to watch like a full-fledged house tour, and I'll do that soon. Do follow me on Instagram for more haul videos and quick updates and mini vlogs. And do subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. See you in the next video. Bye.